Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by selecting the range and making a quick backup. This prevents accidental data loss. First, apply trim to remove leading, trailing, and extra spaces between words. Enter equals trim, A1, and fill down. If you suspect hard spaces, use substitute to replace char, 160 or 2 spaces with 1. Once done, copy the cleaned column and paste values to lock results so formulas don't stay linked. This sets a clean baseline for more advanced fixes. Once you have a baseline, move to find and replace and target double spaces. Press Ctrl+H, type 2 spaces in find and 1 space in replace. Make sure to handle non-breaking spaces by entering Alt+0160 in the find box. For invisible characters, wrap clean around trim, equals clean trim, A1, to remove non-printing characters. If you face mixed anomalies, nest substitute calls to sequentially remove different patterns. This gives precise control. Finish by pasting values over the original range so you keep clean text only. Then use text to columns with delimited and space to standardize spacing if needed. Make sure formulas that reference the original cells are updated or re-entered, because replacing values can break links. If spacing still looks odd, inspect with LEN to compare character counts and reveal hidden characters. If LEN shows extra counts, reapply clean and targeted substitute. This usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.